Welcome to the Financial Jungle. This is Sharekhan Podcast.
Hello everyone, welcome to Sharekhan Podcast. Today we talk about another IPO, that is Home First Finance Company India Limited or HFFC. Kindly note, this is an informational piece on IPO and not a recommendation. The IPO opens for public subscription on January 21 and closes on January 25. The company has fixed a price band of 517 to 518 rupees per share. Investors can bid for a minimum one lot of 28 shares and in multiple thereafter. HFFC is the technology-driven, affordable housing finance company that targets first-time home buyers in low and middle-income groups. Company serves salaried and self-employed customers. Salaried customers account for 73% while self-employed customers account for 25% of the gross loan assets as on September 30, 2020. Company has a network of 70 branches covering 60 districts in 11 states and union territory in India. According to CRISIL report, this region accounted for approximately 48% of the affordable housing finance market in India. HFFC have set up a technology-driven collection system wherein approximately 93% of their collection were non-cash based. The company believes they are able to access borrowing at a competitive cost due to stable credit history, superior credit ratings, conservative risk management policies, and strong brand equity. HFFC has a professional and an experienced managed team led by its CEO and founder Manoj Vishwanathan, who has over 24 years of experience in customer lending industry. Key concerns for the company are: this pandemic has adversely affected business and operations. Any disruption in sources of funding, any downgrade in company's credit rating, and inability to meet their obligation could adversely affect the business and financial condition. On valuation front, HFFC has been notable with a fast pace of growth, and its gross loan assets have clocked a CAGR of 63.4% between FY 2018 and FY 20. Having a large base of salaried customer, company has a low GNPA. As on September 30, 2020, its stage 3 loan asset expressed as a percentage of gross loan assets were 0.74%. Home First Finance has granular business with average ticket size of its housing loan of Rs 1 million and an average loan to value on gross loan assets of 48% as on September 30. Hence, this places it at a lower competition intensity from banks and other peers. However, on price to book value per share of FY 2020 basis, its valuation is on the higher side as compared to peers. For more details, please refer to our IPO note on Home First Finance Company or contact our nearest branch. That's all for the day. Thank you for listening to Sharekhan Podcast.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.